Hello, Bella and Jonah. What are you doing? Hi, Bella. Hi, Jonah. You want to look at your sister? Look this way. Bless you. Bless you. Bella's about to kiss or lick her brother's head. And, oh, there you go. They love it when they get to snuggle together.
Bella looks very happy.
Somebody's not very happy. And somebody is happy. Alright, say bye. Wave bye-bye. There you go.